Verifying your Etsy account is an important step to ensure your shop is secure and trustworthy. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and log in using your registered email and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Find verification options. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Verification or Security. This section will provide you with the necessary options to verify your account. Step 4. Follow verification instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions provided for verification. This may include confirming your email address, providing a phone number for two-factor authentication, or submitting identification documents. Step 5. Confirm verification completion. After completing the necessary steps, check for a confirmation message or notification indicating that your account has been successfully verified. You may also receive an email confirming the verification. Completing these steps will help ensure your Etsy account is verified and secure. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Etsy support for assistance.